really big. Okay, we don't do trade with like few pennies here and there. It's a serious big money which is there. And if you want to trade it with like big money, okay, you have to do it on math. You cannot take a decision every day in the morning कि अच्छा चलो आज सुबह में ये buy करो, अच्छा चलो so कल सुबह में ये बाय करो या कल सुबह में ये सेल करो. You cannot take that decision, guys. Please understand, as I said, currently based on the system that I developed, around 124 127 crores invested right now. Okay, current batch, my funds, client funds, everything inclusive. So when I see such a huge fund which has been invested in the markets, can this be done by taking a new decisions here? No. There has to be a proper math that goes behind it and which gives you an edge in order to make money. It gives you an edge. If अगर आप लोग I don't know आप लोग मुझे कब से जान रहे हैं कब से मुझे सुन रहे हो, but I'm sure you must have noticed one thing, that any question that they'll ask me, I will have an objective answer to it. Did you notice that? So at nowhere I'm saying you guys, आपको अगर ऐसा लगा ना, आप पहले कहाँ पे थे मैडम? Okay, thank you. It's like, you know, at any point in time, I'm not giving you an answer. I'm not giving you a solution to. आपको अगर ये लगा तो आप ये करना. If you feel like this, you do this. If you feel like that, you do it. No, you don't have a right to feel anything. You need to have a proper math and a reason and objective answers to do it, so that whenever X action happens, you know what needs to be done. So that's what I'm trying to explain it. It may sound a little tricky for you guys, but please try to understand it. At the end of day 4, everyone is going to get it. Okay. And I'm going to talk all this and bad things. Don't worry on that. This is not hedging. Okay, let's understand this quick. Stock options, don't use this on stock options, guys. It will not work. Please don't trade it on stock options. Please don't copy paste it. It will not work. You may see, oh, chal raha hai for few stocks, but no, don't do it on a long run. Okay, everyone. ध्यान से सुनना मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. Everyone. Now, what changes here when you actually get into trading? Call buy करना है. Okay, call buy का entry 2 days high पे होगा. Call buy का entry 2 days high पे होगा. Call sell 2 days low. Call, put buy 2 days high. Put sell 2 days low. Now, when you're trading a weekly expiry, guys, please understand, when you're trading a weekly expiry, okay, up current, you have to, when you collect the data, you will now need to collect 4 data. आपको 2 डेटा कलेक्ट नहीं करना पड़ेगा, 4 स्ट्राइक प्राइस का डेटा सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल हमने 18,200 का सिलेक्ट किया था. 18,200, 18,200, 17,100, 17,100, CE, 28th May expiry. Okay, there will be times when you will not find volumes. I'll tell you what to do in that case. Just write down the rules first. 05-20, sorry, 06, 20, that's it. Just high, low. That's it. Okay, because यहाँ पे आपने पीछे हमने 2 स्ट्राइक प्राइस कर लिया था ना, 1 call and 1 put. Okay, you need to take 2 calls and 2 puts का high low data. So this will be the data that you'll need it in order to trade. Are you ready for the next day? Okay, so I'll just create a copy of sheet 2. Okay, सब कुछ सेम, स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, स्टेप 3, स्टेप 4, स्टेप 5 तक सब कुछ सेम रहेगा. स्टेप 5 तक सब कुछ सेम रहेगा. स्टेप 6 में यू नीड टू कलेक्ट द प्रीमियम. ये जो है कंट्रोल सी, कंट्रोल वी. करंट वीक, current week, next week. That's it. This is the only additional point that needs to be added in that, and everything else will remain the same. Step 6 में आपको current week का भी लेना है और next week का भी लेना है. Because this is the data that you will need it in order to do this calculation. Now, at times, guys, okay, when you start trading, okay, आपको बहुत बार ध्यान से सुनना, everyone, okay, everyone, please. When you're trading options, okay, 28th May is your current week, 4th June is your next week, 25th June is your final expiry. Call by which expiry? Everyone, this is only for weekly expiry. Call by which expiry? Call by 28th May, right? 28th May. Please tell me with the date. Okay. Call by 28th May, current week. Call sell. Call sell. 4th June, put buy. Put buy. Put buy. Which expiry? Put buy. Current week. Put sell. Next week. Right? Now, simple. When you're buying option, call buy or put buy. Current week. When you're selling options, call sell or put sell. Next week. Now, at times when you will go and look for a data of next week, you will find a lot of time that it does not have the data. Okay, everyone. Current week में आपको वो problem नहीं आएगा, everyone. Next week में आपको वो problem आएगा, wherein you don't have a data of 2 days, right? So अगर आपको fourth current week में आपको data मिल जाए, if you go and check current week's data, 98%, 99% of the time you will get the data. Ritupurma, don't worry, I'll talk about that. Okay, 98 to 99% of the time आपको current week में आपको data मिल ही जाएगा. Next week में you may not get the data. Okay, so अगर आपको next week में data नहीं मिल रहा है, तो आप current week trade करोगे, वरना next week ही trade करना है. I repeat once again. If you don't get the data, if you don't get a data of 2 days high and a 2 days low in the next week, then you will trade the current week. Sounds good? Only for option selling. Options buying तो current week में ही करना है. Options buying current week में ही करना है. Option selling ideally next week. Wednesday, Thursday आते आते next week में भी data आ जाएगा. But if you don't have a data next week, you will trade the current week. And I also give you what kind of open interest we look for. Clear to my previous question. Thank you. All the questions are going to get answered. If you get only 1 day data, then also you will not trade. You need to have both the days data, guys. 2 days का दोनों data मिलना चाहिए. बहुत बार ऐसा कि 4th June में data होता है, लेकिन you just see one daily candle. So if you are seeing only one daily candle, okay, come to current week. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, I'll give you the scenarios I want you to answer it. Okay, I'll give you the scenarios I want you to answer. Call by. If you want to do call by today, which strike price are you going to trade? Call by today, everyone. If you want to trade call by today, which strike are you going to trade? 28th May. Put sell. Put sell. Put sell. 4th June. When I go to 4th June graph and I check 18,200, let's say I don't see any candle there, which means there is no trading happening. Put sell. So if there is no data in the 4th June, when you go to a 4th June graph and you don't see any data there, what do you do then? Which expiry you will trade? 28th May. Right? Next scenario. You not trade call sell. Call sell. Which expiry are you going to trade? Call sell. Which expiry will you trade? 4th June. Okay. When you open a graph of 4th June expiry, when you open a call graph, you just have 1 day data. You just have 1 day data. What do you do then? You come back and trade 28th May. Again, let's say if you want to trade, if you want to buy put, if you want to buy put, what expiry you will trade? If you want to buy put, 28th May, perfect. Let's say you want to buy, you want to sell a put. You want to sell a put. You will trade 4th June data. When you go and look at a 4th June data, you only see you have a 3 daily candle. You see 3 daily candle. Which strike, which expiry you will trade then? 4th June. If you have 2 days data, still which expiry you will trade? 4th June. Is this absolutely clear? Absolutely clear? No confusion with related to expiry? Good. Put sell will be 17,100. Yes. Thank you, Sudhir. Thank you, Mangesh. Great. Perfect. Once quick revision. Call by, put by, current week. Call by, put by, current week. Call sell, put sell, next week. If the next week strike price graph does not have more than, if does not have 2 days data, then trade current week. If it has 2 days data, trade next week. Clear? When I talk about the data, okay, another important point I wanted to explain is when you talk about the data, okay, आपको current week में data का problem नहीं आएगा. I'm talking about premiums. Yes, Kunal Chandan. When I talk about the data, you will have enough data for current week. Current week में usually you will not see that you don't have a data unless there's a big gap up, gap down, and that expiry was not traded. Don't get into that. 2-4 बार देखोगे समझ जाओगे. But then current week में आपको data का problem नहीं आएगा. Okay? Current week में आपको data का problem नहीं आएगा. Monthly expiry. Okay, now one thing that you'll notice is that you may not find a data, you may not find volumes in 4th June contract. But June का monthly expiry कौन सा है? June का monthly expiry कौन सा है? 25th June. June का monthly expiry कौन सा है? 25th June. 25th के जून में आपको हमेशा डेटा मिलेगा, मतलब कंपैरेटिवली हमेशा बेटर डेटा रहेगा. अब मंथली एक्सपायरी, लास्ट थर्सडे ऑफ द मंथ का जो एक्सपायरी होता है, जो फाइनल एक्सपायरी होता है, that expiry will always have the highest volume, or it will have a better volume, let me put it this way. the last expiry, which is 25th June, you will have better volumes in the monthly expiry as compared to your weekly expiry, especially the next week expiry. Is this clear, everyone? So you will only have a problem with the data, or you will not find the data when you look probably at you're looking at a second week or a third week data. You know, if you're on first week and you look for second week or a third week data, you may not get it. So if you don't get the data, trade current week. I'll talk about monthly options as well. Okay. So I hope this part is clear. Okay. Just give me a second. My Zoom started getting stuck. Just give me a second. I'm not able to drag it. Guys, I'll just refresh my. Okay, done. हो गया हो गया. Done. Okay, guys, please understand why are we trading next week when you sell options? Because time value ज़्यादा है ना, तो आपको premium ज़्यादा मिलेगा. So premium ज़्यादा है, तो gap up gap down भी हुआ. It will help you understand. It will not impact as much as you trade a current week. And since you're paying the same premium, so better you get more premium for that. So this expiry is clear, everyone. So for call buy, your entry is going to be 2 days highest high plus 10% of the current week high low. 2 days lowest low minus 10% of the next week high low. Next week high low. Yes, Pankaj, I'm going to answer any which way is that. Okay, next week high low. Current week, 2 days highest high plus X%. Next current week, 2 days highest high plus X%. Next week, 2 days lowest low minus X%. आपको पीछे के 2 दिन का डेटा देखना है, everyone. Is this clear? We'll do a practical example so you'll understand it. Target. What's going to be a target here? Entry for call sell and put sell, your target can be 60%. Okay. You can initially start with 60% here, and then you can move on to 70%. X is equal to 60%, 75%. You can start with 60%, and then you can gradually move to 100% to 120%. Clear? So you can start with this and this, and gradually you'll understand how do you go about it. Stop loss. The price is 850. We'll talk about that. Okay. This stop loss, this, and whichever is maximum, minimum, this is what you're going to trade. Is this clear, everyone? That's it. You just have to do these calculations and you'll get an call buy entry target stop loss, call sell and call buy call sell. You get entry target stop loss for all the 4 values. Right? Sorry. Control S. Just give me a second. You don't have to monitor spot price at all. Okay, everyone. Another important point. Okay, everyone. We'll be doing the practical example now. Before I explain you that, ध्यान से सुनना मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. आप आपके एवरी डे इन द इवनिंग आप कितने कैलकुलेशंस करोगे गाइस? एवरीवन गाइस क्विक. Every day in the evening, how many calculations you'll have? Quick, guys. Every day in the evening, how many calculations are you guys gonna do? Now, calculations, total calculations. Four, 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 four. Wrong. Prashant, good. Four threes are 12, guys. Every day in the evening, you will have 12 calculations. Call buy, entry target stop loss, call sell, put buy, put sell. Four threes are 12. 12 for Nifty and 12 for Bank Nifty. मुकेश 3 4 3s एंट्री टारगेट स्टॉप लॉस. अभी स्टॉप लॉस के लिए आपको एमएसएल टीएसएल डोंट कैलकुलेट दैट. नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स दैट you'll have. Everyone will only focus on first Bank Nifty and then we'll do to it's just copy and paste. Okay, everyone, for Bank Nifty, how many orders are you going to calculate? Everyone 12 entries. Yogita 12 entries. Sudarshan Kumar 12 entries. Siddharth 12 entries, right? Entry, target, stop loss for call buy, put buy, call sell, put sell. 12 entries every day you will calculate. Yes. Now let's say आपका call buy trigger हुआ. अगर आपका call buy trigger हुआ, then in the evening for the next, then let's say the day gets closed, आपका you have placed all the 4 orders, आपका call buy trigger हुआ, will you place all the 4 next day if your position of the call buy is on, will you calculate everything for call now? Good. No. Very good. You'll only calculate for call sell, put buy, put sell. Perfect. Only stop loss. Yes. Perfect. Yes, what I'll do now is, everyone, okay, what I'll do now is, थोड़ा सा आपको heavy लगेगा, okay, but can we do this? Can we just, what I'll do is, can we just go few candles back and let us see how does this price behaved in the past? Everyone? Yes? Am I audible? Yes? I'm going to see the comments. Anyone? Am I audible, guys? Let's just go to let's just go like 5 7 days. Okay, thank you. Let's just go 5 7 days back and let's try and do all the calculations till now so that it will be clear. It's very simple. You understand it? Yes? Thoda the confusion hoga. Okay, guys, can I just request one last thing? Before I do that, because I'll be doing a lot of switch between one app to another app, can I just re-log in my Zoom? Just be online. Okay, just be online. I'll just re-log in my Zoom so that it does not get stuck. Okay, I'll just quickly re-log in. Yeah, because I have to switch when I'll do calculation. I have to switch between several apps. So just be online. I'll just join you guys in a minute. Hello, everyone. Perfect. Hello and namaste, everyone. Thank you. Is it clear and better now? Better? It just works. Good. Yes, Kamlakar, I could see everyone. Chats. Thank you. Let's begin. Guys, so what I'll do is, okay, थोड़ा सा फुर्सत से सुनना. I'll just go back 7, 8 days back. Okay, and let's just see every day in the evening when I'm preparing, how do I prepare? So it's going to be too much of a calculation. I'll just do it faster because मैं आपको बोलूंगी, आप ढूंढोगे, आप करोगे, तो जमाना लग जाएगा. तो मैं ही calculation करती हूँ. Okay, and I'll show you how to do it. Sounds good? Yes? Yes, Bhavik, but and I'll use what I'm comfortable with. I'll just log into the terminal. Okay. Guys, can you see the trade tiger here? Can you see the terminal here? For we are on we are preparing for 14th. We are preparing for 15th May. Okay, everyone, let's say we're preparing for 15th May. First step, I'll go very slow. Okay, don't put in your questions. I'm not reading it. Okay, so that I don't break my focus. And I'll go slow. Write down the steps. First step, I'm preparing for. I would first need a data. So I'll add script equity. I'll type Nifty Bank. I'm preparing for 15th May. I've taken the Nifty Bank data. I'll just double click on this. Now, can you see this 15th May data? I'm taking this one because this is going to be kind of smooth, so it will help you understand it. So, okay, you would see the date here, okay? You'll see the dates here, open hand, low one, close here. Okay. When I'm looking at Nifty Banks does not have an expiry date. You're looking at spot Bank Nifty. I'm not looking at Bank Nifty future. I'm looking at Bank Nifty spot. Okay, you'll see the date and open, high, low, close here. Okay, so this is 15. Okay, so this is 13th May and this is 14th May. Okay, 13th May, 14th May. I'll need the high and low. So let's just quickly write it. I'll not write day 1 and day 2. Okay, what's your day 1? Everyone. This is 20. What's the high, everyone? Quick, please, guys, write it in your book. 20,122. 13th May high is 20,122.25. 14th May high is 19,380. Which is highest high? 20,000. Which is the highest high? 20,122.25. Manmeet, first understand the basic one. Then we'll talk about that as well. Okay. This is clear. Nothing happened on that. Don't worry. So highest time मिल गया. Second step, lowest low चाहिए. Next trading date का date लिख लिया 15th May. Let me take a first page. 15th May. Highest at 2122.25. Lowest low 1 19,429.9 and 19,024.75. Which is the lowest low? 19,024.75. So we got the 2 days highest and 2 days lowest low. Everyone, clear? Just type in clear if it's clear. Guys, please, I request you guys to also write this in your book. Don't just ऐसे करके सुनना मत. Hang हो जाओगे. मेरे साथ calculations करो. Things will get more clear. Okay. Though you know few steps, first steps, write it. Okay. So Nifty Bank 2 days high देखा. We are preparing for 15th May. Okay. 13th May and 14th May. Okay. ये तो webinar है ना. At times when I take a meeting, Zoom meetings, not a webinar, Zoom meetings, and when I ask people to, Zoom meetings, a lot of time people don't know that the videos are on. कोई ऐसे लेट के देख रहा है वीडियो, कोई ऐसे करके देख रहा है, कहाँ समझेगा? Sit straight with calculators and understand. Okay. Third, we are preparing for 15th May, high and low, done. Second, next step number 3. Step number 3, add buffer, quick. Buffer को add करो. 20,122.25 was the 2 days highest high. Plus 0.15%, 20,152.4. 20,152.4 is your with buffer. 19,024.75 minus 0.15% is 18,996. 18,996. Step number 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 4 भी clear हो गया? Yes. Step 5. Check the nearest strike price. 20,152 का क्या हो जाएगा? 20,200. 20,200 and 18,996 का क्या हो जाएगा? 19,000. Perfect. So अब हमने ये select कर लिया. Now please go to the calendar. आपके मोबाइल पे, लैपटॉप के कैलेंडर पे जाओ and check the expiry, current week and next week expiry for 15th May. What day was 15th? You're on preparing for 15th May. Okay, perfect. So if you're preparing for 15th May, current week is 21 and the next week is 28. Perfect. 21st and 28. 21st and 28. Okay, somebody said 22 and 29. Guys, we Thursday को expiry होती है, right? 21 and 28. Okay, so then my next step that I'll do here is I'll again go to Market Watch, add script. Okay. Now I need to add Bank Nifty data, right? Options का data चाहिए मुझे. Next step, I'll go here. I'll type Bank Nifty. I'll click here to near. Okay, let me click all. Show. So can you see this? Okay, let me click call. पहले call को हम select करते हैं. So मैंने Bank Nifty select किया. Expiry में all select किया. मैंने instrument में call select किया and show. Now can you see the strike prices that comes here, everyone? Right? We will not have the 21st May data in this. Okay, we'll not have a 21st May data because 21st May khatam ho gaya. Let us see what happened to call sell. Okay, so call sell hum kaun si expiry ka karenge? 28th May ka, which is 20,200. 20,200. Near 20,200. Okay. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. For put sell 19,000. आप कॉल के लिए आप कौन सा स्ट्राइक प्राइस लोगे? 20,200, right? So I've taken 20,200 strike here. For put sell, you will take 19,000 data. 19,000 here added. Correct? Now we are currently, let us only do call sell and put sell. Okay. So on this day, what is the 2 days now? 13th low. Can you see this 13th? Now this is, I'm going to 20,000, 2,200. Okay. And sorry, I'll put show 19,000. So when you say this here, okay, 1, 2. So this is 13th low and this is 14th low. This is 13th low. This is 14th low. Okay. So what is 13th low and 14th low ka major difference? Which is the lowest low? 349.75. Everyone, which is the lowest low? 349.75. One of the best way of trading markets or as best selling options. Perfect. 349.75. So what's going to be an entry price, everyone? 2 days lowest low is 349.75. Quickly calculate your entry price. 2 days ka lowest low mil gaya. Entry price is what? 2 days lowest low minus 10%. Rahul, 2 days ka lowest low mil gaya. Call sell ka. Which is 314.8. Perfect. What is going to be your target? Everyone, what's going to be your target? What's your target, everyone? Call sell का target ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? नीचे होगा, right? When you do call sell, call को short sell कर रहे हो. Yes, 20,200, Rahul. Your target is going to be minus 60%. So it is 125.9. Right? So call target is going to be 125.9. I'm doing call sell next week data, right? 2 days lowest low, Sunny, lowest low entry hoga. Right? 125.9 का target है. 15th मई के लिए नेक्स्ट वीक कौन सा है? 28th मई, राइट? Similarly, what's going to be your stop loss, everyone? What is the stop loss? 349.75 plus, no, sorry, 314.8, your entry price plus 60%. Your stop loss is 503.6 or 2 days high, which is higher. So your stop loss is 503, everyone. पंकज जी, आपको ये ग्राफ आप जब ओपन करोगे ना, तो वहां पे आपको डेटा दिखेगा, यहाँ पे आपको हाई लो दिखेगा. So stop loss is 503.6. The stop loss is 503.6, right? Now ध्यान से सुनना मुझे, मैं क्या बोलूं एवरीवन. आपका कॉल सेल का एंट्री हो गया, आपका कॉल सेल का एंट्री हो गया. टू चेक दैट, आई रिपीट, आपका कॉल सेल का एंट्री हो गया 28th मई. पंकज, आपका कॉल सेल का एंट्री हो गया. टू चेक दैट, आप 15th मई का प्रीमियम का हाई देखोगे या लो देखोगे? एवरीवन प्लीज आंसर दिस, लिसन टू माय क्वेश्चन वेल. इफ यू वांट टू चेक कि आपका कॉल सेल का एंट्री हो गया नेक्स्ट डे, तब हाई चेक करोगे प्रीमियम का या लो चेक करोगे? शिरीष, सिद्धार्थ, लो चेक करोगे, राइट? लो. डॉक्टर, सम गाइस, लो. परफेक्ट, गुड. लो चेक करोगे. फ्यू पीपल सेड हाई. अब शॉर्ट सेल कर रहे हो, राइट? लो चेक करोगे. ओके, सो आपने यहाँ पे लो पे सेल, शॉर्ट सेल कर दिया. ओके, यहाँ पे व्हाट इज द लो हियर, एवरीवन? व्हाट्स द लो हियर? 242. What is the low here? 242. Which means अगर आपने जो 314.8 पे एंट्री रखा है, तो आपका एंट्री हो जाता. Which means your short sell position has started, right? अब आपके यहाँ पे जब शॉर्ट सेल का पोजीशन स्टार्ट हो गया है, now once the short sell position is on, okay, now let's say this day, now I want everyone to look at this. Now let's say this day gets closed, 15th में खत्म हो गया. Just forget about the open high, gap up, gap down, all of that we'll be doing tomorrow. Don't worry, first understand the logic. Now अब आपका let's say 15th में finish हो गया, तो जब आपका 15th में finish हो गया, okay, at that point in time when you go and check, now for 16th May, what is your stop loss? 16th May, everyone, आपका कॉल सेल स्टार्ट हो गया. 16th May के लिए your entry will remain the same, target will remain the same. Stop loss क्या हो जाएगा पंकज? स्टॉप लॉस ऊपर होगा. 2 days highest is 486. 2 days highest is 486. So 486 plus 10%, 534, and entry plus 60%, 503.6. Perfect. So your stop loss will remain 503.6. Now let's say on this day, can you check? Can you see this day 3, everyone? This is your second day of your trading. What is the low here, everyone? This is your second day of trading. What is the low here? 91. What is the target? 125.9. Is the target achieved? Yes. Your target is achieved on the same day. अगर टारगेट अचीव नहीं हुआ होता, तो आपका स्टॉप लॉस फॉर नेक्स्ट डे, yes Vaishali, stop loss will be updated every day. Only your stop loss will be updated every day for open position. अगर assume करो, let's say अगर इस दिन पे stop loss hit नहीं होता, now this is what I wanted to check in. Hold on everyone. Okay, this is what I wanted to check in to make you understand that your risk reward is way more higher than 1:1. Assume करते हैं हम this 18 में आपको target नहीं achieve हुआ है. For 19th May, your stop loss is now, for 19th May, your stop loss is now what? 1 day high, 2 day high, 330. Your stop loss is now 330 plus something. आपका stop loss 2 से 3 दिन में आप break even पे आ जाते हो. If this goes 178 plus something, 2 days and a 3 days, okay, and your stop loss comes nearby your entry price. Okay, I'll just quickly repeat once. So 2 days low पे आपने यहाँ पे 349 पे sell कर दिया, -10%. आप short sell कर रहे हो, तो टारगेट क्या होगा एवरीवन? आप जो शॉर्ट सेल कर रहे हो तो आपका टारगेट क्या होगा? I'm talking about call sell. You can see the name. I'm talking about call sell. 125.9 and stop loss. आपका target will remain the same, but stop loss will change to 2 days high or entry plus 60%. 2 days and your target is achieved, and your target is achieved the second day. Here. Is this clear, everyone? Yes? You need to take only one lot. Only one lot. I'll quickly recap. Okay, everyone, I'll quickly recap. First step, I went to Nifty Bank high. Step 2, I checked the highest and the lowest low. Step 3, okay, check the nearest high and the nearest low. 2 days high plus 2 days plus buffered, minus buffered. Step 4, check the nearest strike price. Step 5, check the premium price. Lot size 20. Bank Nifty ka lot size is 20. You don't have to calculate target. Target will remain the same. Yes, Santosh? You can take 1 lot, 2 lots, any lots, because आपको सारा target पे book कर रहा है. There is nothing trailing when you short sell options. Your margin for short sell will be as same as your futures. You have to check the spot price. Sell will be next week. Yes, Himmat. अब 15th May के लिए next week 28th में है ना? Anika, you can see this on NSE India website. Is it clear? Now let's just quickly go and check 15th May ko, everyone. 15th May ko, we are preparing for 15th May, okay? We are preparing for 15th May. We are going to the back data and checking what has happened in the past. Okay, 15th May ko, this is 14th May, 15th May, yes. 14th May. Even put 19,000 का put sell का order भी डालोगे आप? Everyone, 19th May को 15th May का put sell का order भी डालोगे? What is going to be a put sell order, everyone? 1, 2. 1, 2. What's your 2 days low? Put sell, everyone, put sell. Yes, Santosh, you can put all the orders at the same time. 411.6. Okay, 14th May 659, 13th May 411.6. So on 15th May, you will place an order to sell at 411.6 minus 10%. तो आपका पुट सेल का ऑर्डर ट्रिगर हुआ क्या ऑन 15th में? नो, इट डिड नॉट गेट ट्रिगर. पुट बाय ट्रिगर हुआ रहेगा. आपका पुट बाय ट्रिगर हुआ रहेगा. कॉल सेल एंड पुट बाय ट्रिगर हुआ. You can choose to decide. You can decide to do only buy. You can decide to do only short sell, and you can do both. If your capital is small, you can do only buying. Okay. If you want to do only selling, you can do only selling. And if your capital allows you to do all four, you can do all four. Yes, Hema, you can buy a put as well. I'm just showing you 28th call sell data because I was not having 21st May. Is this cell clear, everyone? Is the cell clear, everyone? Short sell, is it clear? Perfect. Good. It's going to be sort of confusing. Okay. Perfect. Now let's just stick to the same data. Okay. And let's decide. Okay, everyone. Let's decide that you're also trading 28th ka call. Let's do a call buy and put buy calculation. Okay. So on 15th May, if you're buying a call, you will buy above everyone. On 15th May, when you'll buy a call, you'll buy above 2 days high. So 2 days का high क्या है? On 15th May, call buy will be on 2 days high. Everyone, for call buy, your entry is 2 days high. So this is 14th May, this is 13th May. Which is the highest high? 1476. So that becomes your entry price on third day. Buy trigger हुआ क्या call buy? Did you on 15th May, did the price go above 2 days high? No. So when you have, so you have placed an order to buy above 2 days high and 2 days low. Call buy on 2 days high, call sell on 2 days low. Which order got triggered? Call buy or call sell? Yes, Anugrah, we will. Call sell trigger हुआ? Call sell trigger हुआ? Yes. Similarly, आपने even for put, this is 14th May, this is 13th May. For even for put, you're putting a put buy order on 2 days high and put sell order on 2 days low. You're putting a put buy order on 2 days high and you're putting a put sell order on 2 days low. Which order got triggered here? Put buy trigger हुआ, put sell trigger हुआ, put buy trigger हुआ. कोई भी एक trigger होगा, right? So in call sell got triggered. In put buy got triggered. And let's go and check. This is Nifty Bank's graph. Okay, underline. This is Nifty Bank's graph, which is underlined. What happened to Nifty Bank? Nifty Bank went down. What happened to Nifty Bank? Nifty Bank went down. So अगर price नीचे जाएगा, तो हमने वहां पे white board में देखा था, put buy will get triggered and a call sell will get triggered. And that to get triggered, yes, put will be the current week because there was no current week data I showed you in 28th May. Good. I hope I've confused you enough. Don't worry. Crystal clear. Clear, no confusion. Yes, but I'll digest. Amazing method, ma'am. It's awesome. Yes, little confusion, ma'am. Clear, very confused. Clear, confused, very clear. Beautiful method. Clear, confused. Brainstorming, clear. Good. Amazing method. Glad to learn it from you. Thank you. Confused, clear. Good. This confused, but I'm sure you will clear it. Thank you. We'll be revisiting all of this. 9:30, you can place options order. 9:25, 9:30. Awesome strategy, ma'am. Thank you. I'll do this homework and we'll take out data for entire month and then we'll be understanding this. That's great. How many lots you can do? Any lots. So इसमें ऐसा नहीं कि आपको compulsory 2 lots लेना है. Yes? Guys, hold on. You need to understand this, okay? Everyone. Okay. Listen, you can take it or everyone, guys, please focus. No more questions. Okay. Everyone, thank you. Please understand, everyone, how do you do this? Okay, I'll just quickly repeat this once again. Please understand, write down, guys, write it down. I'm not writing anything on Excel. Write it down. Take your books, everyone, quick. Take your books, everyone, quick. No Excel sheet. I'll show you Tejwinder Excel. Everyone, take a book. Write down all the steps. Write down all the steps. Write. Quick. Take a fresh page in your book. I'll answer the query, Sumit, don't worry. First, take the books. Are you guys ready with a notebook and a pen, everyone? Yes? Quick. Don't ask me any questions. Write down all the steps. Write down all the steps, though you know it. Okay? Step 1. Write down. Okay? First 5 steps are very clear. Still write it down. Quick. Step 1, write it down. If I'm writing it on Excel, I'm sure you guys, most of you guys are not writing it. And that's where, it's not making you guys think further and go deeper into it. I want you guys to write it. Step 1. Step 1. Now it will make more sense, in fact. Write the next trading date. Day's date. Write it down. Don't write it on a chat box. I want you to write it in your book. Write it in your book. Shikhar Tyagi, I'll explain you. Okay, it's coming. Don't worry. Now I'll make you guys write it. You'll understand it. Everyone, step 1. No Anugrah. Hold on. Omkar, execution is going to be very simple. Don't worry. Step 1. Write down, everyone, step 1, write down the next trading day's date. Step 2, collect the data. Step 2, collect the data of spot bank Nifty. Step 2, collect the data of spot bank Nifty. In the next line, write it down. Collect previous 2 days. Collect previous 2 days. Previous 2 days high and the low. Day 1 high low. Previous day 1 high low. Previous day 2 high low. Please collect the data of previous 2 trading days. Day 1, previous day 1 high low. Previous day 2 high low. Step 3, circle the highest high and the lowest low. Step 4. Step 3, circle the highest high and the lowest low. Step 4, add 0. Final price, or final high will be 2 days highest high plus 0.15%. Write down your next step. Step 4, final high will be 2 days highest high plus 0.15%. Final low will be 2 days lowest low minus 0.15%. 2 days lowest low minus 0.15%. Done? Step 5. Check the nearest strike price. Step 5. Check the nearest strike price. Step 5. Check the nearest strike price for call and for put both. I'm sure still step 5 everybody is clear. Now let's come to step 6. Step 6. Okay. Collect the data. Step 6. Collect the data. Step 6. Collect the data of call strike current week, call strike current week, call strikes next week. Collect the data for call strike current week, call strike next week, put strike current week, put strike next week. Perfect. Is this clear? Collect the data for premium. Yes, no. You'll collect 4 data. Call current week, call current week, call strike current week, call strike next week. हर एक every week का एक अलग strike price रहेगा. Strike price जो रहेगा every week का रहेगा, right? So call strike का high low for current week, call strike next week, put strike current week, put strike next week. So total how many numbers are you going to write it down? Numbers कितना high low कितना हो जाएगा? 16. High low total 16 हो जाएंगे, right? 4 for call current, 4 for call next, 4 for put current, 4 for put next. Total 16 numbers आप लिखोगे. जैसे आप इसमें डीपर जाओगे, you can automate this everything, okay? ये डेटा कलेक्ट सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है. Is this clear? 16 figures आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. Then next step is circle the highest high and the lowest low premium. Circle the highest high premium and the lowest low premium for all the 4 strike. Akshay, we're talking about only Bank Nifty. Then you will circle the highest high and the lowest low for all the 4 strikes. Is this clear? अभी हमने कॉल करंट वीक का हाई लो लिखा. करंट वीक हाई लो, कॉल नेक्स्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का हाई लो, फिर पुट का भी हाई लो लिखा, करंट वीक एंड नेक्स्ट वीक, वी हैव 16 फिगर्स नाउ। कॉल का करंट वीक का हाई, करंट वीक का हाई लो, day 1 high low, day 2 circle the highest high, lowest low. So you will now have 4 highest high and 4 lowest low, everyone. Yes, everyone, 4 highest high and 4 lowest low. Call strike current week highest high, lowest low. Call strike current week highest high, lowest low. Call strike next week highest high, lowest low. Put buy current week highest high, highest lowest low. Put sell next week highest high, lowest low. 4 मिल गया? Yes, yes, can you just type in yes if it's clear? Good, absolutely clear, right? पहले हम क्या कर रहे थे, सिर्फ एक ही वीक का डेटा ले रहे थे ना, अभी हम दो वीक का डेटा ले रहे हैं। कॉल स्ट्राइक का करंट वीक का हाई लो भी ले रहे हैं, कॉल स्ट्राइक का नेक्स्ट वीक का हाई लो भी ले रहे हैं। Perfect, logically very clear. Perfect. Now buy हमेशा, okay everyone, call buy or put buy, okay, whether you're doing a call buy or you're doing a put buy, you will trade current week or next week. When you buy a call or buy a put, when you're buying the option call or put, you'll trade current week or next week, next week. And आप call and put buy कर रहे हो, right? आप call and put buy कर रहे हो, तो जब call and put buy कर रहे हो तो buy हमेशा हाई पे होता है, buy हमेशा हाई पे होता है, right? buy हमेशा हाई पे होता है। So call buy किस पे होगा? Current week 2 days highest है, call buy will be at current week 2 days highest high. Put buy कब होगा? Current week 2 days highest high. Though you're expecting price to go down, and if the price goes down, premium will go up. So current week 2 days highest high पे आपका buy होगा। Logically clear everyone? Yes, yes Subra, current week, yes, 2 days highest high. I'll repeat once again, call buy, put buy, current week. Call buy and put buy entry will be current week, and because you're buying a call and buying a put, entry is 2 days highest high for both. So entry is 2 days highest high plus 10%, plus 10%, plus 10%. Yes, everyone, clear? Very clear, and even just type in yes, clear if it's clear. Magesh, call buy or put buy current week, you'll trade current week, okay? Once you trade this current week, okay, buy हमेशा हाई पे होता है, तो 2 days highest high, which your current week call का 2 days का highest high है, put का 2 days का highest high data है, plus 10% will be your entry for call and put. Clear everyone? Now let us talk about sell, call sell or put sell. Everyone, call sell or put sell. Okay, all of this I've already written in Excel sheet. Call, sell or put, sell. Current week, next week. Everyone, call, sell and put, sell. Current week, next week. Next week, right? Next week, good. आप सेल कर रहे हो ना, कॉल सेल और पुट सेल. आप शॉर्ट सेल कर रहे हो तो शॉर्ट सेल हमेशा लो पे होगा. शॉर्ट सेल हमेशा लो पे होगा. So to sell a call and to sell a put, you will trade next week contract at what price? 2 days lowest low minus 10%. Logically clear? Everyone, absolutely clear. Good. Thank you. Good, Mukul, Preetham, Asima, Sudhir. Good. Manmeet, thank you. Good. Okay. Now, target. Hold on. The reason I'm not showing you in Excel, I'm just making you guys think because I want you to think. I'll put it on Excel. Clear from confused. Good. Sridev, I'll show you where to take the data from. Okay. Hold on. Entry clear ho gaya. Now let us talk about target. Everyone, let us talk about target. Everyone, let us talk about target. Call buy and put buy. अब क्या कर रहे हो? Call को buy कर रहे हो and when put buy. Call buy and put buy. You're buying it, right? So when you buy, आपका target ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? When you buy, आपका target ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? ऊपर होगा, right? So आपका target जब ऊपर होगा, entry plus, I repeat, entry plus 60% will be your target, and eventually you can move to 100% and 120% later. For now, let us consider and stick to entry plus 60%. Clear? Call buy का target and put buy का target. आप buy कर रहे हो ना, buy का target ऊपर होता है तो entry plus 60%, call entry plus 60%, put entry plus 60%. Similarly for call for sell, call sell को आप call को short sell कर रहे हो and put को short sell कर रहे हो तो short sell का target नीचे होता है, right? So what will be your stop loss? Sell entry, call sell entry or a put sell entry minus 60%. Minus 60%, which you can eventually get to 75%. Start off with 60%. Target clear. Is target clear? Right? Target for buy entry plus 60%, for sell and tag entry minus 60%. Go back to number 1, Santosh. Clear? Now, let's talk about stop loss. When you keep, okay, for call buy, when you keep your target at 100% and 120%, your stop loss still remains 60%. Clinic all clear. Great. Thank you, Praveen. Okay, now, next point. Stop loss. Okay, let's understand the stop loss. Everyone, stop loss. Now, let's understand the stop loss, everyone. Stop loss क्या होगा? Okay. Call buy and put buy. जब आप buy करते हो, stop loss ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? Whenever you buy, your stop loss is gonna be above your entry price or below your entry price. It's gonna be lower, right? नीचे होगा, everyone. It's gonna be below your entry price, everyone. Yes. Good. Now, whenever to calculate a stop loss, please understand, to calculate a stop loss, you have to consider two prices. To calculate a stop loss, you need to have two strike prices. So you need to calculate two prices. The first price that you need to calculate is the MSL. What is MSL? MSL is, for example, Baikili MSL is entry minus 60%. Opposite of, now understand this logically, okay? Everyone, you'll never forget this. Just understand this logically. MSL is opposite of your target. What is your target? Entry plus 60%. Your MSL is opposite of target, entry minus 60%. TSL is opposite of entry. Your TSL is opposite of entry. What is your entry? 2 days highest high plus 10%. Your TSL will be 2 days lowest low minus 10%. You'll compare this both the values, whichever is maximum, whichever is higher, whichever is closer to the entry price. MSL remains constant. That becomes your final stop loss. Is this clear? Everyone. I'll quickly repeat the stop loss once again. It will be more than that once we gradually get further. Let me just repeat this stop loss once again. To get the stop loss, okay, to get the stop loss, you need to compare two values. One, MSL. Your MSL is opposite of the target. So your buy target is entry plus 60%. Your stop loss MSL will be entry minus 60%. TSL will be opposite of entry. What is your entry? 2 days highest high plus 10%. Then your TSL is 2 days lowest low minus 10%. Then you compare this MSL and TSL. Whichever is higher, okay, whichever is higher is your final stop loss. Clear? Similarly, for short sell, let's compare the short sell का stop loss. Short sell का जो stop loss होगा, वो ऊपर होगा या नीचे होगा? Short sell का जो stop loss है, ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? ऊपर होगा, right? आपका short sell का stop loss ऊपर होगा. So your MSL, again you have to compare MSL and TSL. MSL is opposite of target. Short sell का target क्या होता है? Entry minus 60%. So short sell का MSL will be entry plus 60%. Your TSL is an opposite of entry. So your TSL is what? 2 days lowest low minus, your entry is 2 days lowest low minus 10%. Then your TSL will be 2 days highest high plus 10%. If you compare this MSL and TSL, whichever is lower, okay, whichever is lower will be your final stop loss. Your 2 days lowest low will take care of that. Once you get into the position, thank you Aman, once you get into the position everyone, उसके बाद आपका entry target change नहीं होगा, only stop loss value will change. Are you guys understanding 70%? Is 70% clear today? 70%. Fully clear, pure number, pure price. Good. Yes, more than 75%, 99%. Good. Last 5 minutes, guys. Last 5 minutes. And I'll put the same thing in an Excel in a one simple tab. Yes. So that it's clear for you. Last 10 minutes. Is it okay? 15 minutes. 10:30. Okay. Because you need to understand this. I cannot allow you to leave before unless you understand this, because tomorrow I have to explain you expiry special. अगर ये नहीं समझेगा तो expiry special में तब hang हो जाओगे. Now you can take as much time you want. Thank you, Saurabh. ये तो ठीक है, लेकिन एम्पैट में when we have sessions, the sessions goes up till like night 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning, you know. it works crazy there. Sumit, you need to apply the same rule to get the answer. Just hold on. I'm not a night person. I'm a morning person. I usually wake up early in the morning. But because when people come for the impact session, people travel from different cities, and different states. So I just have 2 days with them. So we try to make the most of it. Okay, everyone, I'll just put this into this entire. Please hold on, okay? I'll just sum it up and put exactly, you'll understand things again logically. I want you to answer it along with me, okay? So every day we'll have call, buy, put, put, buy. This is just a quick revision. I'll write call, buy, put, buy, and call, sell, put, sell, so that it's clear for you. Call, buy, call, put, sell. Let me write it the way standard format. Oh, wait. Sorry. Final revision for the day. Pakka, promise. Quick. Same for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yes. Everyone, quick. Final revision for the day. Promise. Not no more revision. Okay. Now, expiry. Call by expiry. Current week, next week. Quick. Current week. Call sell. Good guys. Hemant, Magesh, Dhiren, Pratibha. Good. Sashi. Good. Amit, Sahit, Ankur. Good. Hari Prasad. Good. Next week. Put by. Love. Good. Praveen. Good. Raju, Manmeet, Benjamin, Dhananjay, Himmat. Good. Current week. Put sell. Next week. ये आज रात को अगर आपको किसी ने नींद में भी पूछा ना, will you answer this right? Yes or yes? Yes? If somebody wakes you up and it's like, Kamlesh, call sell कौन सा week में होगा? You will answer right? Yes? Is this that clear? Good. Now, this नहीं पूछेगा तो भी बोलेंगे. Good. Everyone, now, okay, the only star mark out here is, okay, the only star mark here out is current week में आपको हमेशा डेटा मिलेगा. Everyone, thank you Senthil. Current week में आपको हमेशा डेटा मिलेगा. Right? नेक्स्ट वीक में शायद आपको डेटा ना मिले, उसकी हो सकता है you may not get the data next week. Okay, Magesh, let's say probably, there current week you'll always have a data. But next week, thanks Rohit, next week, okay, next week may or may not have data. You may run short of data. So what is the star mark here is if next week does not have 2 daily candles trade current week. Is this very clear? Everyone. I'm not taking your questions now. I'm making everyone. Is this very clear? If your next week does not have data, you will trade current week. Perfect? Good. So expiry ho gaya. Okay. The next is the entry. What's going to be your entry? I'll just, is the font size perfect? Font size perfect, eh? Okay. I'll just write down high, low, call, strike, current, previous day 1, previous day 2, highest high, lowest low. Perfect. So you will have this 4 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, this for 12, and this for 16 data. Right? Put strike next, call strike next, previous day 1, previous day 2, high, low, 2 days, highest high, lowest low. अच्छा ऊपर current, अच्छा मैंने ऐसे लिखा current and next. Thank you. Call strike current, call strike next, put strike current and put strike next. Perfect. So you'll have this for everyone, you'll have this 16 data ready with you, which will give you a final high and the final low, highest high and the lowest low of that strike. Yes? Now, when you talk about entry, okay, can just give number to this 1, 2, this 3, and 4. Okay. Now, entry, everyone. I'm just giving it for a reference. Okay. So you don't have to tell the cell number. Okay. Now, entry, everyone. Call by का entry क्या होगा? Call by का entry. High पे होगा, low पे होगा? High पे होगा, right? Current week high. So 1, 2, 3, 4. कौन सा value use करोगे? 1. Right? 2 days highest high plus 10%. Yes? Is this clear? Everyone, very clear? राइट। पुट का भी एंट्री सेम रहेगा, जो आप कॉल के लिए करोगे आपको सेम चीज पुट के लिए करना है, पुट भी सेम रहेगा। यस, कॉल बाय एंड पुट बाय सेम रहेगा एवरीवन। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टारगेट हियर, right? And this will become 3 plus 10%. Your 2 days highest is this. So it's 3 plus 10%. Perfect? Everyone? Good, Mukul, clear? Target now. Okay? Buy कर रहे हैं हम लोग, call target book कर रहे हैं, right? Call and put को buy कर रहे हैं. So when you buy a put, target ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? When you buy options or you buy whatever, target ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? ऊपर होगा, right? So it has to be entry plus something, right? Entry plus 60%. Put buy के लिए भी same रहेगा. Put buy target will also be entry plus 60%. This you can gradually increase to 60, 75, 80, 90, 100, 120. जैसे चीजें नॉर्मल हो जाएगी अभी, बिकॉज द प्रीमियम्स आर वेरी हाई करंटली, 120% थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लगता है, 100% 120, but just once things gets normally 100, 120% is a smaller target. In fact, people who have traded would understand it. Now stop loss. Okay, बहुत simple है stop loss. Okay, stop loss is MSL, TSL. MSL is always opposite of target. Good, Yogita. TSL is opposite of, good Radhakrishna, entry. Good Ranjit. So first thing, buy का stop loss ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? Siddharth, I'll tell you where to get these data. Okay, don't worry. It's just one click and you'll get it. I don't know about the past, but आगे का sure. Now, buy का stop loss नीचे होगा everyone. Buy का stop loss नीचे होगा. So it's gonna be entry minus 60%. Entry minus 60%. TSL will be 2 days lowest low minus 10%. 2 days lowest low current week. Okay, let me just let me just give number to this as well now. 5, 6, 7, 8. TSL is 2 days lowest low minus 10%, right? Which is 2 days lowest low, call sell. 2 days lowest low, 5 minus 10%. Thank you, Pranal. Good. What is your final stop loss? Which MSL or TSL, whichever is higher, right? Higher of MSL, TSL is your final stop loss. Clear? Is this very clear? Just understand the calculation. You will track this for few. Perfect? Good. Now, so you call buy and put buy sorted. You're done with call buy and put buy orders. Okay? And this will be, thank you, Shiju, 7 minus 10%. 7 is this row. I'm just giving a reference. आप जब ऐसे high low लिखोगे तो जो भी lowest low आएगा, that. Perfect? Now let's do it for call sell. Quick. Okay? Sell की entry ऊपर होगी. Okay, call sell. जब आप sell कर रहे हो, sell की entry ऊपर होगी या नीचे होगी? Sell entry. Sell entry will always be, everyone, call sell 10:30, sorry. Call sell will always be low. नीचे होगा 2 days lowest low minus 10%. Right? Now 2 days lowest low minus 10%. Concept 1, 2, 3. ये मैंने ऊपर जो numbers लिखे हैं green and red cell में, which cell should I consider? Sasithar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Preetham, Anika, Sachin Tandon, Basavraj, Gautam. ये सब wrong वाले नाम है, right वाले नहीं है. Don't be happy. Ajit, 6. Your answer is 6. अब 2 days lowest low चाहिए. आप call sell कर रहे हो. Next week का call sell इधर है. 2 days lowest low 6. Clear? 6 minus 10%. Clear? Yes? इतना समझाने के बाद भी अगर नहीं हो पाया ना तो तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. Is this clear everyone? Okay, and short sell जब हम करते हैं तो टारगेट ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? शॉर्ट सेल का टारगेट ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? अरे got stuck. शॉर्ट सेल का टारगेट ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा? नीचे होगा, right? So entry minus 60%. Right? Stop loss. Okay, short sell का stop loss ऊपर होगा. So entry plus 60%. Opposite of target. This will be 2 days highest high plus 10%. Which column should I take here? I mean, which cell should I take here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, everybody got it right. Good. Vijay Kumar, Saurabh Singh, Sachin Tandon. Wow, everybody else got it right. Ajay Pote, 2 days highest high, right? आप करंट वीक ट्रेड करो. सबसे पहले आपको क्या सोचना है guys? You need to understand what strike are you trading? You're trading next strike, right? First you're trading call. सब पुट को देखो ही मत. You're trading call. Then you're trading current week, next week, next week. So it has to be 2 days. Right, Manish? Perfect. Is this clear? पहले तो कॉल ट्रेड कर रहे हैं तो पुट तो आना ही नहीं है. Then you have to check कि current trade कर रहे हो, next trade कर रहे हो, it will be 2, right? So 2 plus 10%. This will be exactly, put cell will be exactly the same, right? This will remain this. ये 6 के बदले क्या हो जाएगा? 8. 6 के बदले क्या हो जाएगा? 8. 2 days lowest low minus 10%, which is 8 वाला आएगा. And this will be 2 के बदले 4. Wow, everybody answered right finally. Wow, I'm so happy to see that. Perfect. And you're ready to trade next day. ये सब है ना, अब इसको सही तरीके से करोगे ना, it just is it clear everyone? Yes, at least 80% clear everyone. 80%. Yes, thank you. Good. 100% clear. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Yes, Pradeep. Target achieved. 200%, 99% clear. Sudhir, somebody asked about the data. That I'll explain you. Your teaching is awesome. Thank you. Very clear. Intraday, I'm going to talk tomorrow. ये नहीं समझा तो intraday तो और hang हो जाओगे. I have to make sure that you understand this. ये समझ के intraday is going to be very easy. Thank you, Dhananjay sir. Okay, everyone, खत्म ही हुआ session. Last 5 minutes. Hold on. Okay, session खत्म ही हुआ. I mean हो गया. Just give me 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, guys, please. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to calculate. Now, Tuesday के लिए orders डालना है ना Tuesday morning, right? Tuesday के लिए tomorrow's homework is going to be, Tuesday के लिए you have to calculate all the values. Okay, Tuesday के लिए you have to calculate all the values here. Yes, sounds good. Everyone, screen got stuck. Just give me a second, my screen got stuck. My chat box is not getting updated. I'm not sure whether you guys are able to listen to me. Session khatam nahi, don't run away, okay? We're done with the session, but if in case you have any doubts, I would like to answer those queries. Guys, please be online. I'll just relog in once again. Please be online. Don't leave, okay? I'll relog in again within a minute. Ma'am, when the next week trade calls in, why we need 2 days data since we are calculating things from current week? I understand. You will need 2 days data. You're trading next week, Hema, but you will need 2 days data of in the next week. Please answer your question again, Gaurav. I think it's clear. What is this? Stop. Okay, but there are 2 screens which are coming in, but it's okay, no problem. Okay, everyone, guys, tomorrow's homework, when you come for the session tomorrow, Everyone, you need to calculate for Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Okay, you know what, guys? Once you अभी तो आप नया सीख रहे हो ना, आपको बताइए पूरा काम कितने मिनट का है? It is 1 minute job every day. 1 minute job. Okay, probably now you, because you're starting it off, you may take around 12-15 minutes or maybe 30 minutes because you're starting new and you will make sure that everything is right. But once you'll go further and once you understand this completely, it's just 1 minute job. Okay, you download the bhav copy and everything is auto calculated. सब कुछ auto calculate हो जाता है. Yes, Sasitar. Monthly targets I'll be giving you tomorrow. Intraday positions I'll give you tomorrow. Time TK is taken care of in the system. No, वो सिखाऊंगी तो लोग भाग जाएंगे. It is very complicated at this stage. For now, you do manually. Guys, you're done with the sessions. If in case you don't have doubts, you can leave. I'll just answer questions and before I end for the day. Can you put? Please give the link for the bhav copy data. I will. Thank you, Benjamin. What's the probability? Just go and trade it. You'll understand it. Thanks, Shirayu. Sorry for taking another 40 minutes of yours. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Divyang. What if on the expiry? Guys, you guys are putting in questions so fast. I'm just not able to. Guys, hold on. Stop, stop, stop. Only people from A put in your queries. Thanks, Sandeep. Strike price 850. 850 नहीं आएगा ना अविनाश? Thank you, Anil. Good night. Thank you. Thank you, Ajay.